This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome everyone to another Willow Glen 2-minute drill where we cover all things real estate related in Willow Glen in 2 minutes or less. Now, before we get into the data, if you are a home buyer in Willow Glen, go ahead and text the word data down below to get a unique data set for any property, any location that you're currently looking in. Go ahead and text the word data plus the zip code afterwards that you're interested in or the property address that you're interested in, and we'll get you a unique data set for your unique situation. And if you're a home seller in today's market, go ahead and text the word data down below for a unique property analysis on your specific property. Anyways, folks, let's get into the data. Now, we're super high tech here, so we're gonna get started in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so jumping into the numbers, the sales price to list price ratio is something that we've been paying attention to, and recently we're seeing a decline in sales price to list price ratio. This month in the single family sector, we're at 97%. In the condo and townhome sector, we're at 99%. Both declines from the previous month. What does that mean? Well, you know, to me, that tells me that perhaps we're getting a little ambitious with our pricing. That also means that potentially we're seeing overall a little bit less competition for the amount of supply, and that shouldn't be surprising to folks. Remember, these are May numbers, okay? Which means that all of these properties sold in April, right? So the reality is that April was probably the worst month for Silicon Valley real estate this entire year, just given the fact that SIP completely decimated the inventory leading into April. And so by the time April rolled around, we were seeing a big discrepancy in inventory levels, and not only that, but demand as well. And so we can expect, in all likelihood, for that number to rebound this coming month. May has been one of the best months, for perhaps even the best month for Silicon Valley real estate, and we're seeing that momentum carry in through June. So expect to see fluctuations in those numbers. Absorption rate is another thing that we're paying attention to. An absorption rate of 70 in the condo and townhome sector for Willow Glen versus an absorption rate of, well, I just had it pulled up here, 38.6. And so we're seeing a dip in the single family sector, especially in the absorption rate. But again, I wouldn't feed too much into the narrative that the market is declining, because we've seen a rebound since April. And so, whoa, there we go. We've seen a rebound since April, and those April numbers are reflecting into May. And so into May sold data. And so when we're in June, the sold data for May are homes that went into contract in April, which means that they were listed in April and or March, and we all know what happened in March and April. So anyways, guys, lots of information, and I'm curious, if you're a home seller in Willow Glen right now, do you think that housing prices are going to remain neutral? Are they going to go down? Are they going to appreciate in 6 months from now? So when we're sitting there and we're eating our Christmas dinner, are we gonna see home prices higher than they are today, same price, or lower? Anyways, guys, this is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group, and I will text all of you. I will see all of you in the next 2-minute drill.